Thanks for joining me here on my YouTube today. We are in Boise, Idaho at the house of my friend Nancy. She stopped and gave us a place to stay for a minute. I walk out here into the living room. Typical American cottage house in a cul-de-sac in Meridian, Idaho. So that's what you might expect when you come here. Yeah, modern life. All right, well, I'm going to go get myself together and I'll be back. Okay. This is, I can't see, the sun's right in my eyes, but I think I'm getting a good video here. Let's see. This is a typical neighborhood here in Meridian, Idaho, or Boise, or pretty much anywhere you want to go. Idaho is kind of quiet, peaceful, community. This is kind of a bedroom community of Boise, I guess you would call it. A lot of people work in Boise, live here. It's nice. So I'm heading up to the main road, try to find a Wi-Fi connection because I have no Wi-Fi here. And to be honest, I don't know exactly where I'm at, but I'll find it. There's a main thoroughfare up here. I never lived here in Meridian. I've lived in Boise all my life. Or not all my life, but that's where I was born and raised. Off and on all my life, I guess that would be a better way to put it. So, I will take this. I will find a place to get some Wi-Fi. And I'll talk to you later, folks. Thanks for watching. So, here I am at the corner of Chrisfield and Meridian Road. This is the main road, Meridian Road. And it's a little further walk than I anticipated, but not a problem. It's a nice day. Give me a chance to clear my head of the long trip I just took and relax, take in some of the Idaho weather and the beautiful place here. I'm going to find myself a McDonald's. Okay, folks, McDonald's bound. Albertsons Shopping Center. This is local shopping store. So this would be comparable to Robinson's or that type, Save More. For the Filipino viewers, you get the idea. This is America, this is Idaho. And I'm gonna go in here and see about getting a couple things to eat because I'm hungry. All right, folks. I'll see you in a few. Albertsons. Oh my God. Delicious food. But I'm still searching for internet. They didn't have internet. But they were shorthanded on employees today. So if you're looking for a job, Burger King is hiring. Burger King. But that leaves me with the same problem. I need to find a Wi-Fi connection because I want to be able to get a hold of my sister so I can go see my mom. And I need internet to do that. So we'll keep looking, folks, and I'll get back with you as soon as I find something. Thanks again for watching, everybody. I'm back. I'm still walking. Apparently, I'm walking down Fairview Avenue, still in search of a McDonald's, because McDonald's has Wi-Fi, and I'm surprised that Burger King didn't have Wi-Fi, and I was shocked. It's like, what? Everybody's got Wi-Fi nowadays, don't they? But anyway, I just want to give you guys a look here. You can see America in comparison to the Philippines. I don't know how far down this road you can see. Oops, wrong direction. Way down there. Can't really see that. Way down there is the next stoplight. So things are far and in between here in the United States. Walking is an option, but and I like walking. I'm not complaining about walking. I like walking, but it does take you some time. It eats up your day. So I'll be back with you. Let me go still try to find some Wi-Fi. I want to give a big shout out to my little girl. Hey, Shauna, who's watching? I love you, kiddo. I'm going to show you the United States in video for now. Okay, babe? Talk to you soon. There it is. I found it. Now, I hope they have Wi-Fi. I'm pretty sure they do. That's Fred Meyers on Fairview and Meridian. For those of you who know this country, there's the Key Bank. That's my bank. But I'll be heading over here to McDonald's, see if I can get on Wi-Fi, and that's what I need. So I'll see you guys inside. Scored the internet. So I'm going to put this video to rest. I'm going to call it good for today. Thanks for watching, everybody. Make sure you like, subscribe to my channel, and if you like to see some further content, please click that notification bell, and I'll see you next time. This is my first day in Idaho, back, and there'll be plenty more, so hang in there. I love you guys. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye. Exciting. Have a nice day. God bless. Take care. Next time.